We like to go camping, and I want to do this DIY bucket light right here. I think it's so cute. A lot of the campers have it and at their campsites, and from what I understand, it's easy, no big deal, so I'm going to try it. Here's how my light turned out. I really like it, so let me show you what I did. I went to Walmart to pick up a bucket. Thanks, Walmart. Shelves were completely empty. But Home Depot to the rescue. I got my 5-gallon bucket, and you're also going to need a lid with it. I had to pick that up separately. When I bought the bucket, I thought it had a sticker on it, but I got it home and found out it was actually printed on the bucket. So I had to sand it off, but it wasn't any big deal. It came off easily. I bought LED lights on Amazon. They came 4 to a packet, and they come with this cool little remote, 4 remotes in all actually. You can see they hold 3 AAA batteries. The LED lights come in several colors, and they're so much fun to play with. Once you get your batteries in your LED light, you want to grab some alcohol, rub that on the back of your LED light, and also rub alcohol on the inside of your bucket. Then you'll need some Velcro strips or dots. I found mine at Walmart. Cut the Velcro the same size as your LED lights. Remove the adhesive backing and put that on the LED light. Then remove the other adhesive backing. Put that in the center of your bucket on the inside. So now the LED light is attached by Velcro, which stabilizes it in the bucket, but also lets you pull it off to change the batteries. The next step is to clean the remote with alcohol, and you'll go through the same steps as you did with the LED light and the Velcro. Now you can stick the remote on the inside wall of the bucket, which will help you keep up with it. Since it's attached with Velcro, you can easily remove it. I ended up having to get a black lid for the bucket, but now I kind of like it. Now you'll take the lid and flip it to the inside, and you'll repeat the whole process. Rub alcohol on the back of the LED lights, add the Velcro strip, and adhere it to the inside of the lid, and do the same with the remote. You can get away with using 1 LED light in your bucket. I just prefer 2. Use alcohol again to clean your bucket. You'll need a large decal. I bought mine on Etsy. Mine is approximately 18 inches wide by 8.5 inches tall. Find something with a straight edge like a credit card, or I just use this box I had laying around to get the bubbles out. Find the center of the decal and place it where you'd like it to be on the bucket. Then take painter's tape and tape the center, top and bottom of the decal. Going from top left to right, remove the transfer tape from the backing. Since the decal was so large, once I got to the middle, I laid it over and cut the backing off. Then carefully roll your transfer tape onto the bucket. You can smooth it out along the way. Then lift the tape, and then pull the backing off, rolling it on the rest of the bucket. Here's where it gets tricky. You're going to see I was not the best at this, but I figure you can learn from what I did. You can see it was a little tough to pull off, and things went along fine for a while, but then you'll see right there, a star comes up on the transfer tape. I laid it back down, rubbed on it, and it did come off. I wasn't thinking at this point, the decal is so large, what I should have done is gone ahead and cut off that transfer tape, but I didn't. I eventually ended up cutting it off. And it was tough getting the stars to release from, and that tree to release from the transfer paper, but it finally worked. I got really nervous at this point. I thought I was going to rip the tree, but I ended up getting that transfer tape off and just placing the tree back onto the bucket. I lost a couple of stars along the way, but then I just added them back. Yay, I did it. And here it is. Here's a shot of it outside where it produces the perfect little glow.